Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Flutter on Windows 10 or 11. To do this, we need to open a browser and type Flutter download. Click Install manually. Okay, download that zip file. There you go. We need to extract it to the C drive. Click Extract All, choose Drive C here, and then Extract. Alright, after extracting, go to the C drive. Go into the Flutter folder and copy the path. Then go to Edit the environment settings. Click on Environment Variables, Path, Edit, New, paste Flutter in here, then OK, there. And just like that, you've installed Flutter. That's all there is to it. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.